What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and here's some cryptocurrency news you should listen to today. First of all, happy Friday, happy Payday Friday. Anybody that got a check, anyone that got their accounts receivables in, congratulations. I'm happy for you. We should all be happy when we all get something coming in, because some people don't have anything coming in. So let's be happy for that. But next, let's really talk about the market. We've noticed that today and over the last few days, the market has been down or in the red. However, today we saw something a little bit different, which is we saw a significant dip, and then we saw a slight recovery that seems to be going on. Now, people want to know, and the number one question I'm getting over the last few days, why is the market down? What's happening, Joe? Why, Mr. DEBT, is the market where it is? Well, it's simple. A combination of bad news and manipulation. We've talked about this before. If you actually look at the futures market, you will see how it correlates quite often with the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin kind of dictates the rest of the cryptocurrency market. You have that aspect. So you have some manipulation to make sure pricing is at a certain point. You also have negative news that's coming out purposely, okay, because there's good news that's out there too, but a lot of negative news has been pretty much spewed out by the media. You got people, experts coming on to MSNBC and different shows saying that, you know, we're watching the bubble of Bitcoin burst. It's going to be worth $20. You got others saying 50,000 in a few years after, or later this year after, maybe dropping down to $20, $100 or $1,000. Look, all that is talk. At the end of the day, we dictate where the market goes, and manipulators do too. And here's the truth of the market, okay? Here's some perspective for you. If 3 hours ago, you bought Ripple throughout all this bad news at 68 cents, which it was, okay? 68 cents. Right now, the value of that coin is 90 cents. Maybe rising above that, but 90 cents roughly. So if you spent $680 at that point and you got 1,000 coins, right now you'd have made $200+ in a matter of hours, just because you recognize what the market is. You know the rules, which again, has Ripple been banned and cryptocurrency been banned? No, in fact, it's being added to different exchanges and trading and investment platforms. So it's expanding its use, but the value isn't going quite in the direction that you would expect based on expanded usage. Well, I expect it because, again, this is market manipulation. This is the time period. This is January, February. But here's the other truth about the market. If you actually, and this is any market, you can't lose until you sell. So right now, for those that hold coins that say, man, I lost 1,000, I lost 100, I lost 200. When were you planning on taking this money out? Because if you were planning on holding and allowing this money to grow and the value to grow, then it really doesn't matter what happens today, because you were holding anyway. You didn't lose anything because you didn't sell anything. That's the idea, guys, behind holding. If you're in it to hold, you're not in it to hold it for a week or two. You're in it to hold it for months, sometimes years, because you want to see the greatest gains in value. Now, I'm an advocate of always taking some profits out from time to time and making it real profits and money, because, again, just like losses, profits aren't real until you take them out either. They're just theoretical. However, what I'm saying is that panic is not necessary if you planned on holding in the first place. And if you have some extra cash and you want to take advantage of low prices and values, now's the time to buy, because even in a low day, prices go up 30% because we have these type of swings. And what you see is that you could make hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars, depending on how much money you put up. So that's the game. That's what's going on. I don't like to be too repetitive, but make sure you're paying attention to the market. Make sure you understand what this is about, because if you don't have the stomach for it, you're going to be in trouble. You know, you have to have the stomach for it if you're going to hold. And if you're going to do short-term buying and selling, you better be ready to buy at the lows and sell as it goes up. Otherwise, you're wasting your time. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll talk about more market activity over the weekend come Monday. If something big happens, we'll make a video on Saturday. But until then, look, enjoy your life, enjoy your day, because remember, this is just a vessel. This is just a tool to get to another stage in your life. This is not the end all be all. Don't love money. You can love the process, but don't love money.